Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain a very important problems from the geometry part and particularly from straight lines. Okay now, right. So all these problems are given in previous JEE examinations. You see how to solve these problems. Okay now, how to solve these problems. They are very important. Don't skip this video. Okay, right. See, the first problem is from straight lines. Let A be a fixed point 0, 6 and B be a moving point 2t, 0. That means depending upon the t value, the point B is moving. Let M be the midpoint of AB and the perpendicular bisector of AB meets the y-axis at C. The locus of the midpoint of P of MC is. So here, by after reading all the problem, don't get confused here. So whatever may be the data given, you represent this in a diagram. That's all. So it is a straight line. So it is a two-dimensional plane. It has a, so this is a x-axis and it is a y-axis and it is origin. Right, clear. Okay now. Let A be a fixed point 0, 6. Here x coordinate is 0. Therefore, the point lies on y-axis. So this is your A, 0, 6. And B is a moving point 2t, 0. See here, observe here, y coordinate is 0. Therefore, the point B moves on the y-axis. This is equal to 2t, 0. 2t, that is a moving point. A is a fixed point, 0, 6 is fixed. B is a moving point, moving on the x-axis. Depending upon t value 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/2 like that, it is moving on x-axis. Clear? Up to that clear. Let M be the midpoint of AB. Okay, beautiful. So this is a line segment and it is the M. MB is the midpoint of AB. Clear? M is the midpoint of AB. Okay. And the perpendicular bisector of AB, meets the y-axis at C. That means, what is the perpendicular bisector means what? So it is a perpendicular to the line AB and passes through the midpoint M. So this is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Meets the y-axis at C. So it is meets the y-axis at C. So we can say one thing, the coordinates of C as 0, something. Y. So it lies on y-axis. We know that x coordinate is 0, 0, C. Then he is asked to find out the locus of the midpoint of P of MC. So this is a MC. Its midpoint is there, no? P, let us call it as H, K. So H, K. So we have to find out the midpoint of P, H, K, the locus of the midpoint of H, K. Very nice. Then how to approach this problem? First we will do that. So first, to find out the midpoint P, H, K, we should know the coordinates of M and we should know the coordinates of C. Clearly it is given M is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, very clear. What are the coordinates of M? Clear? So midpoint x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 0 plus 2t by 2, that is t, y1 plus y2 by 2. So 6 plus 0, this is equal to 3. 6 plus 0 by 2. 6 by 2, 3. So beautiful. We got the coordinates of M. Then how to find out the coordinates of the point C? C coordinate, x coordinate we know. Y, the point lies on x-axis. Then how to find out the y coordinate? This is a one and only one thing is finding the equation of the line MC. Okay, if you know the equation of MC, as afterwards we know that how to get the y coordinate. If you substitute x is equal to 0, we will get y coordinate. Now, to find out the equation of any line, we required point and slope. We have the point M, t, 3. Clear? We want to find out the slope of MC. First, find the slope of AB. What is the slope of AB? M means slope. What is the slope of AB? See here what the slope of AB means. x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1. So 0 minus 6, that is equal to minus 6 by 2t minus 0, this is equal to 2t. So, this is equal to minus 3 by t. 2 1s are 2 3s are minus 3 by t. Okay, now what is slope of MC? Yes, we know that both lines are perpendicular. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So, the slope is t by 3. Okay. What is equation of MC? Equation of MC. So, formula. So, we know the point, we know the slope. So, formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 t. Okay. Don't simplify. Don't simplify. So, put it like that. We want the point C. Okay. So, we know that x coordinate is 0. So, wherever x is there, substitute 0. See here what happens. So, y minus 3 is equal to, if you substitute 0 here, this is equal to minus t square by 3. Minus t square by 3. Therefore, y is equal to how much? 3 minus t square by 3. 3 minus t square by 3. Therefore, what is your C point? What is your C point? X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 3 minus t square by 3. Understand? So, what is our M point? T comma 3. Okay, now. So, you know the M point and you know the C point. C coordinates also you know. Okay, now. So, what is the midpoint? Let P be the midpoint of HK. So, x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 formula we will get. Okay. So, let us continue the solution. So, let us continue the solution. So, let P h comma k be the midpoint of the line segment MC. Okay. So, what is the, so h value is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2. That means h is equal to 0 plus t by 2, that is equal to t by 2. What is your k value? What is your k value? y1 plus y2 by 2, that means 3 plus 3, 6 minus t square by 3 by 2. Okay. Now, from this you calculate this is equal to 2k is equal to 6 minus t square by 3. So, this is equal to 6k is equal to 18 minus t square. Okay, now. So, 6k so is equal to t square minus 3 by 2. So, here in place of t you can write down 2h. So, 6k is equal to 18 minus, in place of t substitute 2h, 2h whole square means 4h square. 4h square. So, you can divide with 2. So, you divide with 2, 3k is equal to 9 minus 2h square. So, put it in order. So, you put it in order. So, this is equal to 2h square plus 3k minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, what is your equation of the locus? 2x square plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. Option A is the right answer. So, very easy problem. So, first I have to find out the midpoint of AB. Next one, midpoint of MC is equal to P. Right, finding midpoint of AB is a very easy. But finding the midpoint of MC is somewhat difficult. Why? Because you know the x coordinate, you don't know the y coordinate. To find the y coordinate, so it is finding the equation of MC is needed. For finding the equation of MC, we should know the slope of AB. Perpendicular slope I have taken and the equation of the MC. Afterwards, I have find out the C coordinates also. So, midpoint of MC I substituted, I got the answer. Very easy problem. So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. So, very easy problem. So, you don't believe that this type of problems are also will come in mains examination. Sometimes it happens. They are very lucky problems this is. So, image of the point 3 comma 5 in the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 lies on which of the curve. Okay, now. So, first find out the image. So, you know that image formula, right. So, this is a line L is equal to 0, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let p x1 comma y1 be any point. So, the image of this point is some q h comma k. You know the point, you know the line. So, how to find out the image of the point p x1 comma y1 with respect to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So, very beautiful formula we have. H minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c under a square plus b square. Don't write down square root of, only a square plus b square. So everything is, h minus x1 is 3, a value is 1, that is a k minus y1 is 5, b value is minus 1, minus 2 of ax1 plus by1 plus c, means you substitute this point here. So 3 minus 5 plus 1 by 1 square plus 1 square, right? A square plus b square. So of course b is minus 1 whole square, that is 1 square, right? So 3 plus 1, 4. So this is a minus 1. So this is a minus plus 2. So this is equal to 2 by 2, 1. Okay. Therefore, h comma k is given by, so this is equal to 4. So this is meant 4. So h comma k is equal to 4 comma 4. Very nice. So take the options and substitute that any one of the following. So this is option B I wrote. So something it should be minus here. So take the option B. Option B you take. So option B is equal to how much? X minus, x value is 4. So this is a 4 minus 2 whole square, 4 minus 4 whole square. This is 4 minus 2, 2 square, 4 you got. Therefore, option B is option B, that curve is satisfying the point 4 comma 4. So very, very easy problem this is. So this type of problems are also asking it in JEE mains examination. Okay, just it is a board level problem. Okay, right. So next, let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. Let ABC be a triangle with the vertex A minus 3 comma 1 and angle ACB is equal to theta, and theta lies between 0 to pi by 2, that is acute angle. If the equation of the median through B is 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and the equation of the angle bisector of C is 7x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, then tan theta is equal to. On the whole, it is a problem related to triangle. So let us draw a neat diagram. Okay, right. So first it is a triangle, right? A, B, C is a triangle. Okay, now clear. What are the things given? A coordinates are given. How much? Minus 3 comma 1. Clear. Angle ACB given. ACB. It is given as theta. Right. Theta. Theta is acute angle. Clear. If the equation of the median through B is, so you have to take the median. So let it be M is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, AB be the median. BM be the median. Its equation is given as 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Right. BM median, its equation is given. Right. One more thing. And the equation of the angle bisector of C. What the equation of the angle bisector means? It is a line which divides the angle into two parts. So this is a half, this is half. Its equation is given. This is a 7x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Right, everything is given. In a triangle ABC, A is given, and the equation of BM, that is median, is given. Equation of the angle bisector is given, and angle ACB is given. Is asked to find out tan theta. If you want to find out tan theta, so if you know the slope of AC and the slope of BC, if you know the slope of AC and slope of BC, the problem is over. Okay, now the slope of AC and the slope of BC, the problem will be clear. So then how to find out slope of AC? Means we know A, we don't know the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C is it is not nowhere it is given, right? And we don't know the coordinates of B is also we don't know. So that how to find out these coordinates? If you know that coordinates, we can find out the slope of AC, let it be M1. So we can use the formula M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M1 into M2. Okay, now. So first I will find out like this. I will proceed like this. First you can find out I will do like this. M is the midpoint of AC. M is the midpoint of AC. So let us take this. This is x3 comma y3. Let us take the point C as x3 or comma y3. You can take x2 comma y2 also. and you can drop the perpendicular to here. This is a perpendicular to this. This line is perpendicular to the angle bisector of C. So this will be some P. So this is comma x2 comma y2 you can take. This is a x1 comma y1. C is x3 comma y3. Right. What is the midpoint of AC? A is how much? Minus 3 comma 1. A is minus 3 comma 1. What is midpoint of AC? Midpoint of AC is equal to how much x? So midpoint of AC is x3 minus 3 by 2 comma y3 plus 1 by 2. This point lies on the line 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Y equation of BM is that. So that is equal to this point 2 into this is a x3 minus 3 by 2 plus y3 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay now. So here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. You multiply with 2. So this is equal to 2x3 minus 6 plus y3 plus 1 minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is 2x3 plus y3. So minus 6 minus 6 minus 12 minus 12 means here minus 11 is equal to 0. Call it as equation. First time, so what is my aim is to find the coordinates of C. If you observe, the point C lies on the angle bisector 7x minus 4y minus 1. Observe, the point C lies on the coordinate, lies on the line 7x minus 4y. Therefore, you can substitute here, that is equal to 7x3 minus 4y3 minus 1 is equal to 0. You call it as second equation. Okay. So upon solving 1 and 2, what you will get? So try to do this point C you got. Solving 1 and 2, the point C is 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. Check the answers. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. 7 3s are 21, 4 5s are 20, 20 minus 20 minus 1 minus 21, 21 minus 21. So therefore 3 comma 5 is the point of intersection of the lines, these two lines. Therefore, luckily we got A value is minus 3 comma 1 and C point is 3 comma 5. Now what I am going to do is I can so I will, instead of finding B, I will find out the point P x2 comma y2. So this point P x2 comma y2 is the image of the point A minus 3 comma 1 with respect to this angle bisector. There is a property with respect to the angle bisector. So let us try to find out the point P. Okay. So let us continue our solution. Dear students, let us continue the solution. So what I told, P x2 comma y2 is image of A minus 3 comma 1 with respect to the angle bisector, or the angle bisector 7x minus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So if we want to find out x2 comma y2, so we have the formula x2 minus 3 by 7 is equal to y2 minus 1 h minus x1, that means here plus will come, by minus 4 is equal to minus 2 of, you substitute this point minus 3 comma 1 here, so that is equal to 7 into minus 3 minus 4 into 1 minus 1 by a square, that is 49 plus b square 60. So if you calculate this value, so this is a x2 comma y2. So if you find out all this value, so you will get this is a p x2 comma y2 as p x2 comma as a 13 by 5 comma minus 11 by 5 you will get. Okay, so you calculate. So you know the point A. What is the point A? What is your point minus 3 comma 1? You know the point C as 3 comma 5 and the point B as 13 by 5 comma 11 by 5. Now we will find out the slope of AC and slope of BC or PC. Both are same. Why? Because P lies on BC. Let the slope, this slope we will call it as M1 and we call it as slope M2. Okay now? So let us continue the solution. So dear students, let us continue the solution. So now what is slope of AC? Slope of AC is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 minus of minus 3, this 6. So this is equal to 2 by 3. So this is slope of 3. So you call it as M1. What is slope of PC, or you can take it as a BC also. So you can take it as a slope of PC. So this is equal to y2 minus y1, that is equal to 11 by 5 minus 5 by x2 minus x1, 13 by 5 minus 3. Okay, so if you calculate this, so 5 5s are 25, so this is equal to, you can calculate this 3 5s are 15, you can calculate this as a, you will get 18. So you call it as M2. So 25 into, if you calculate, you will get 18. Okay, now, so after getting this, so find then the value of tan theta is equal to, so M1 minus M2 by M1 plus M2, that is equal to 2 by 3 minus 18 by 1 plus 2 by 3 into 18. So this value you will get as 4 by 3. So option D is your right answer. Okay. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. The intersection of three lines, there are three lines is given, is a very easy problem. So I think everybody can do this problem. So there are three lines are given. So these are the three lines. The intersection of these three lines form a, which type of triangle it is? Equilateral or right angle, isosceles, scalene. Very easy. There are three equations are there. Solve all these three equations. Solve 1 and 2, 2 and 3, and 1 and 3. And find the distance, you will get the answer. So if you solve x minus y and x plus y, you will get the point as x minus y is equal to 0, x plus 2y is equal to 0. It is a very clear. The point is 1 comma 1. Why? 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 1 plus 2 into 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. So where point A is 0. If you solve these two equations, the point B, you can guess it as point B is 3 comma 0. So see here 3 comma 0 is very, you can guess easily, 3 0 3. 2 3s are 6 0 6. Therefore 3 comma 0. The point C, that means if you solve these two equations, that is x minus y is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to y. That means 2x plus x, 3x, 3x is equal to 6. Therefore x value is 2. Therefore automatically y value is also 2. 2 comma 2. See here, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2. So like that you have to solve it. Okay, now. So very simple. Now what is the distance between AB? AB distance is under square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. 3 minus 1 whole square, that is 2 square, 4 plus 1. This is a root 5. So it is a root 5. What is the distance between BC? BC is a 3 minus 2 whole square. 3 minus 2 whole square is 1. 1 plus 2 square 4. 4. That is equal to, this is root 5. What is the distance between AC? So this is root of 2 minus 1 whole square 1. This is also 2 minus 1 whole square 1. So this is equal to root 2. So if you observe here, AB is equal to BC you got, and AB is equal to BC, and it is not equal to AC. Only two sides are equal, and it cannot be an equilateral triangle, and it cannot be an right angle triangle. It cannot be also scalene triangle. The one and only one answer is isosceles triangle. Okay, very easy problem this is. Okay, so I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fifth problem. If the curve x square plus 2y square is equal to 2 intersects the line x plus y is equal to 1 at 2 points P and Q, then the angle subtended by the line segment PQ at the origin is. Here there are two curves are there. One is first one, see here, x square plus 2y square is equal to 2. That is x square by 2 plus y square by 1 is equal to 1. So it is clearly an ellipse equation. You can check the conditions of the ellipse, that is E should be less than 1, eccentricity should be less than 1, you can say, right. There is one more line, x plus y is equal to 1, whose x-intercept is 1, y-intercept is also 1. So if you observe that, so this is a x-axis and it is y-axis. So there is a ellipse first of all. There is an ellipse. Okay, now. So here a square value is 2, a square is value is, therefore a is equal to root 2. So this point is root 2 comma 0. Okay, right, keep it like that. and this point is 0 comma 1. So why here b square is equal to 1, therefore b is equal to 1, 0 comma 1. Now coming to the line, one more line is there, x plus y is equal to 1. So that is x intercept is 1. That means this point lies on the ellipse, and y intercept is also 1. That means here, see here, this is root 2 comma 0, root 2 value is 1.414. Therefore your point should be here. So this is another line. This is another line PQ. Okay, so this is a P and it is Q. This PQ subtends an angle, so at origin. So this angle we have to find out. Total angle POQ. We have to find out, question mark. So if you observe up to here it is 90 degrees, up to here it is pi by 2. If you find out this angle alpha, the problem is over. So total angle is pi by 2 plus alpha. So this is pi by 2 plus alpha. So observe that all options are pi by 2 plus something. So if you want to find out this angle, you have to find out the slope of this OX and slope of OQ. The slope of OX is nothing but x-axis, OX is nothing but x-axis. You know the slope is equal to 0. This slope is equal to 0. So if you want to find out the slope of OQ, you have to find out the point Q. Q is nothing but the point of intersection of the ellipse and the straight line. Point of intersection of the ellipse and straight line. So if you solve that, the problem is over. Okay, now I am going to find out the coordinates of the point Q. So how to find out the coordinates of Q? If you solve the ellipse equation and the straight line equation, you will get the coordinates of Q. So check it. So this is equal to x square plus 2 into y value is equal to how much? 1 minus x whole square is equal to 2. So this is x square plus 2 into 1 plus x square minus 2x is equal to 2. So this is x square plus 2x square minus 4x is equal to 2. So you can cancel 2. So this is nothing but 3x square minus 4x is equal to 0. You can take x common outside. So this is 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. When x is equal to 0, what is your y value? When x is equal to 0, y value is 1. Therefore, one point is 0 comma 1. So here got already 0 comma 1. Okay. When x is equal to 4 by 3, what is your y value? Y value is 1 minus 4 by 3. 1 minus 4 by 3 is equal to how much? 1 minus 4 by 3. So this is equal to minus 1 by 3. What is your another point? Q point? 4 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. Okay. So 4 by 3 comma minus 1 by 3. So very clear. So what is the slope of OQ? What is the slope of OQ? Slope of OQ is nothing but x2 minus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is this is 0 comma 0. That is minus 1 by 3 by 4 by 3. So 3 will get cancelled, minus 1 by 4. 3 will get cancelled. You will get the slope as minus 1 by 4. So therefore this angle tan alpha is given by the formula m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 into m2. So this is equal to m1 means slope of x-axis 0 minus m2 means slope of OQ. Slope of OQ is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 4. That means plus 1 by 4 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. That is on the whole 1 by 4. Therefore alpha is equal to how much you got? Tan inverse of 1 by 4. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 4. So if you observe, your answer is pi by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 4. Understand? Pi by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 4. So this is pi by 2 and this alpha angle, extra angle is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 4. So dear students, I hope that you understand today's all the problems. Okay. I hope that you are all preparing for your examinations. Okay. So all the best to your examination. So meet you tomorrow.